Come on a journey of profound self-discovery as we delve into the illusion of life. Experience the intricate dance of perception and consciousness that weaves the fabric of our reality. A world that looks one way, but that is actually very different from what we perceive. You see, everything we experience, everything we perceive, is not what it truly seems. It is a marvelous play of shadows and light, a magnificent spectacle crafted by our minds. Just as magicians captivate our senses with sleight of hand, so does life present itself as a grand illusion. But you might wonder, what proof is there for this insane claim? It begins with the simple and undeniable truth that you don't exist. It's normal to believe in the solidity of our identity, the notion that we are a separate and distinct entity navigating through the world. Yet, when we dive deeper into this inquiry, we realize that our sense of self is but a construct, a story woven by the mind. Modern neuroscience and psychology have shed a great deal of light on our perceived self. The brain, a complex network of neurons and synapses, continuously generates thoughts, emotions, and narratives that shape our sense of identity. These narratives arise from a multitude of factors: our upbringing, cultural influences, societal conditionings, and personal experiences. In the end, they're nothing more than a story, a fiction we tell ourselves. In the teachings of Advaita Vedanta, the separate self, or ego, is merely a product of ignorance. It asserts that our true essence is the formless awareness beyond the transient fluctuations of thoughts and perceptions. Similarly, Buddhist philosophy highlights the impermanence and interdependence of all phenomena, including the self. The scientific notion of the brain as a dynamic and ever-changing organ further supports the illusory nature of the self. Neural networks continuously adapt and evolve, challenging the notion of a fixed and unchanging identity. So what does this mean for our lived experience? It means that who we think we are isn't who we truly are. It means we don't know who we truly are. But the illusion we live doesn't stop there. We exist as an interconnected web. If you look close enough at your own body, you will witness a grand symphony of life that extends beyond your own. Inside you, a bustling metropolis of life flourishes. Trillions upon trillions of bacteria and microorganisms coexist in a harmonious ecosystem, forming what scientists aptly refer to as the human microbiome. The revelation of the microbiome unveils a profound truth. You are not an isolated individual, but rather a vibrant ecosystem intricately woven into the fabric of life itself. These microscopic beings, often overlooked and underappreciated, play a crucial role in maintaining your well-being. They aid in digestion, support your immune system, and even contribute to your mental health. Without their presence, your very existence would be compromised. Yet, the interconnectedness does not stop there. Consider the air you breathe, infused with oxygen produced by the trees that sway in the breeze. Their leaves absorb carbon dioxide, facilitate the cycle of life. As you inhale, the trees exhale. It is a dance of reciprocity, a silent exchange that sustains us all. Indigenous cultures speak of the great web of life, recognizing the inherent unity of all living beings. Ecology and system theory show how every organism, from the smallest microbe to the largest mammal, is intricately linked within ecosystems. Each species relies on others for survival and contributes to the delicate balance of the whole. The concept of Gaia, proposed by scientist James Lovelock, suggests that the Earth itself functions as a self-regulatory organism, where all living beings play vital roles in the harmony of the biosphere. So it is upon all of us to transcend the illusion of separateness and embrace our role in this grand tapestry. Let us remember we are not merely individuals navigating a fragmented world, but rather integral threads woven into the fabric of life. By recognizing this connection to all things, we can cultivate compassion and reverence for all living beings, knowing that our well-being is intimately intertwined with the well-being of the entire ecosystem. Finally, if you're not convinced of the illusion yet, it's because you don't understand the limitations of perception. You see, perception, though remarkable and wondrous, is a filter through which we experience the world. It is a veil that both reveals and conceals, allowing us to glimpse but a fraction of the vast tapestry of existence. Consider the range of sensory experiences available to us. Our eyes, marvelously intricate, perceive a limited spectrum of light, only a sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum that dances around us. Beyond the color we perceive, there are hues that remain unseen, hidden in the realms of ultraviolet and infrared. A world of vibrant beauty lies just beyond the reach of our human vision. Similarly, our ears, though remarkable in their capacity to hear melodies and sounds, are attuned to a narrow range of frequencies. We miss the songs of bats and dolphins, the subtle vibrations of the earth, and the harmonies of the cosmos. Oh, what symphonies of life and whispers of mysteries escape our auditory and visual grasp. Science, with its tireless pursuit of understanding, provides us with a glimpse of the unseen realms. Microscopes reveal intricate cellular structures, unveiling the hidden wonders of the microscopic world. Telescopes peer into the vast expanse of the cosmos, showing us the distant galaxies and stars, painting a picture of the cosmic dance beyond our ordinary gaze. But let us not stop there. By acknowledging the limitations of our senses, we free ourselves from the confines of narrow perception and open ourselves to the boundless possibilities that lie beyond. In embracing the limitations of perception, we dance with the enigmatic nature of existence. We peer into the realm of the unknown. By relinquishing our reliance on certainty, we awaken to the awe-inspiring vastness that lies just beyond our grasp. Let us surrender to the dance of life. Experience the ever-changing symphony of perception and consciousness. Remember that life is not to be feared, but experienced. For in this illusionary realm, we have the opportunity to explore, to create, and to connect with the deeper truth that lie within us.